Today I'm going to show you how to turn in your assignment or how to upload your assignments. Go to Google Classroom, log in with your Beaconite ID, then click on your classroom. Once you log in, you will see the first thing on your screen will be your stream where you can see the posts and comments by the different students and your teachers. For the assignments to do, click on classwork to easily explore your assignments. On your left you can see all the topics. You can directly jump to the topic to do the assignment topic wise, or if you want to do them, the most recent will appear here on the top. See, these are all your topic wise assignments. The assignments that you can see in gray, these are the assignments that are already turned into the teacher. And the assignments that you can see in orange, whose icon appear in orange, these are the assignments that haven't been turned in and they need to be turned into the teacher. Now, how to turn in a specific assignment? What you have to do, let's say for instance, click on this assignment. Click on then view assignment option. Here you can see the instructions by the teacher. Read the instructions, then go through all the resources that the teacher has provided to you. And after, once you need to turn in your assignment, what you have to do on your right side, you can easily see your work. So how to turn it in? If you have done it, let's say if you have done your assignment in your notebook and you have taken its picture and you want to upload that picture to the teacher, how you are going to do it? Click on add or create, then click on file because it's a file. I am using laptop, so I have transferred that picture from my mobile to my computer. You can also directly do it from your mobile device also by logging into Google Classroom from your mobile and attaching that file in the same way. Now I have saved the file on my computer, so it's asking me to select the file from my device. So click on this option and then I'll go to, if you have saved it on the desktop, make sure that where are you saving your file, because you should know that where you have saved the file, because you have to upload the file from the specific location. I have saved it in my drive, so I'm opening it from my drive. Now let's see for instance that I have taken its picture. See, it's a picture. So what you are going to do, select your file and then click open. If you need to add one more, let's say you have written the assignment in 2 pages, you have taken its picture, those pictures, you want to add one more file, click on add more files. You can add as more files as you want to, depending upon your assignment. Once you are done attaching the files, you have to click upload. It will show you uploading, and once it has uploaded, it will go back to the same assignment screen. Now the second option is, let's say for instance you have done your assignment on your computer and you want to add, let's say you have uh, written the it's an assignment and you have made it on Microsoft Word and you have saved it on your tablet or your computer, and now you want to turn it in. So again you have to click file, add or create, click file and browse that file, whether it's image or it's a Word document. You need to click on file both the time. Now let's say it's a Word document. So click on the Word document where you have saved it, browse it and click on it. Then once you are done, you can easily click on upload. You can in this way share the PowerPoint presentations, you can share poster, whatever you have made regarding your assignment, you can easily upload all kinds of files in your assignment. Now let's say for instance you want to do it right now online, the assignment. How you can do it? You have read the instructions, you have gone through the resources. Now quickly add or create and click on the docs because I am making the document right now. So I'm clicking on docs. If you want to create slide, then you can click on slide instead of docs. It's very easy. It's not that difficult. Google will automatically open your document It's just like Word. All the formatting tools are just like Word. You can change the font size from here. Font size, this is the font size. You can change the font style from here, the writing style. You can make it bold, left align if you are doing it in English. If you are doing the Urdu assignment, you can easily right align it. Once you are done, you have, let's say you have made the document, you have written everything regarding your assignment, the task that has been given to you. Then how to turn into the teacher? Just click the turn in option at the top. Once you click turn in, it will turn in your assignment. Now see, it's asking me that do you want to turn in the assignment? You need to click on turn in. Once you click on turn in, Once you click on turn in, your assignment has been turned in to the teacher. See, if by mistake you have, let's say you have turned it in and you have seen that you have, by mistake, you have attached some wrong file. So what to do? No need to create panic. Just click on unsubmit. Again, click on unsubmit, and then you can attach the files again. So in this way, you can easily turn in your assignments on a specific topic and your teacher can easily get your assignment. I hope it is clear to you now.